Hello everyone, and thank you for your efforts in the Cascade project. Today we're just gonna go over how to revisit a record in the site and user registration survey, with the hope of making it more understandable of how to re-edit a record that you've already done if you wish to change or add new collaborators or update an ORCID ID or email. So let's start by first logging in. Okay, so we'll go and click at the Cascade site and user registration survey, and then as you can see here, we go to the record status dashboard, and we already have a record made here, and we've only put period 1 data and the center data. Let's say we want to add a new participant to period 2, or we need to add a new participant to period 1. So what we do, you can click on the center data. As you can see, everything is filled out. Please note that you have to fill all these information in order to see the options in periods 1 through 7. Okay, so you see everything is being filled out nicely with the correct and valid ORCID and a correct email address, and that makes it the collaborator will receive it in the time you enter it. So let's say we want to go to period 1, and another person from the general surgery showed interest, and you want to add another collaborator. So instead of going and adding a new record here, you can just go to record status dashboard as we seen, and then click on the record that you want to add people in, and then just simply change it to 2. And let's say you want to add another collaborator as so, and then you just enter their details. And then once you're happy that everything is completed, you just go save and exit form, and that's it. And let's say you go out, and let's say you want to add another person to another period. You simply go repeat the same one. You go to record status dashboard, and you go and click here period 3, let's say, and then ask you if you're collecting data. You go yes, click for general surgery, and then you click 1, and then just add the names as below, or 2 or 3. Okay, and that's about it. It's as easy as that. So instead, do not add a new record here. You can simply just go to the record status dashboard and edit your records. Thank you very much.